Good deal.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Kids Can Cook. How are we, chefs? Are you so excited to be here? My name is Melody Boyer, and I'm with Kids Can Cook. We are brand new to the Iowa State Fair. It's our very first year here. We're from Stephenville, Texas. So you each have a white bowl in front of you, and you have a tray that has all your ingredients. We pre-measured everything, so you don't have to worry about making a mistake. You have a little container with ground beef in it. It's raw ground beef. Go ahead and dump that in. Like I said, it's all measured. And Diane Linderman, who is the creator of Kids Can Cook, this is her brainchild. She loves kids, she loves cooking, and she put her two passions together. And she wants to inspire kids to gain confidence through cooking and learn to eat healthy, and that they can accomplish anything they set their minds to. Oh, that smells good. And our last thing is our teriyaki sauce. So you see that little black container that has some liquid in it? You're going to pour that in and take your little white spoon that's next to your blender and use the spoon to scrape all of that out into your bowl. Now, here comes the fun part. You get to use your hands. You're gonna stick your hand in there and squish it all up. Squish it, squish it, squish it. We want to squish those onions and mix the onions and the garlic and the teriyaki sauce all together. You have a tray in front of you that has these little wrappers. You're going to take every corner and fold it into the middle. It's kind of like making a little present, an envelope. Good job, sweetie. And you can take the lid off the top of your blender, and you have a cup of ice. Go ahead and pour your ice in. We are going to make a lemon berry sorbet. Okay, we have our strawberries and our blueberries. Go ahead and pick up your strawberries and pour them in. And the strawberries are full of vitamin C, which is good for your immune system. And then we have our blueberries, which are full of antioxidants. And then we have our lemon juice. You can pick it up and smell it. Oh, it always smells so good to me. Go ahead and pour that in. And our last ingredient that we're gonna help you with is stevia. Are we ready to race our blenders, chefs? We ready? All right, let's make something yummy. Ready, set, go. Cooking is just one way to gain confidence. If you make something and it doesn't turn out, you try again, and you keep trying until it's a success. And that's a goal and a mission in life, is that whatever you put your heart into, it's going to be a success.
All right.
Yeah, just a minute more.
Okay.
My favorite part was probably mushing up the wonton meat. I had a great time, and my favorite part was making the smoothies.